Welcome to the Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph, 100% plant-based and 100% vegan. I have three snacks, vegan snacks, that don't suck, guys. Let's jump right into them. So these three snacks that I have here today are pretty much my go-tos. I have a ton of other ones, but these guys right here, these are for sure to quench your taste buds. Absolutely, 100%. All right, guys, let's check this spread out right here. 3 vegan snacks ready to go. So the first one on the list is going to be vegan yogurt, coconut-based with frozen blueberries on the top, okay? We have some gut-friendly bacteria. We have the anti-inflammatory blueberries with high antioxidants that are going to decrease the free radicals in your body. Blueberries, our powerhouse. I love this snack. Quick, easy, simple, ready to go. You can even go ahead and put some cinnamon or cocoa on top of that and call it a day. Or you can add any type of fruit that you want to this dish. The second one, look at this. Beautiful, look at the colors. Can't go wrong with this, with a little bit of a lime on top. The raspberries right there, high fiber, ACK, you name it, those guys are our powerhouse. Then we have a different array of oranges, high vitamin C, hydration for the skin, you name it. This guy right here is another powerhouse. Number 3, and the last one that I absolutely love, is going to be regular popcorn popped with nutritional yeast on top of it to give it that cheesy type of flavor. This right, and you can even add some pepper into the game, or you can even add salt. This guy right here, let me tell you, you're going to probably eat this every single night once you try it, okay? You can even mix the popcorn with some coconut oil and then sprinkle this on top so the nutritional yeast sticks to the popcorn. Nutritional yeast has all the B vitamins ready to go. This guy is simple. This guy is simple. That one is simple. 3 awesome vegan snacks ready to go. My name is Joseph. Thank you for watching The Vegan Spice. Be well, be safe, be yourself. Until next time, guys, have a sweet day.